Hello friends, welcome to Sql Query. Today we can check correlated subquery. So correlated subquery is a subquery that depends on the outer query. So subquery that depends on the outer query and it is evaluated for the each instance of the outer query. So we have two tables, customer and orders. The order table contains the foreign key of the customer ID. Okay. So first we can, in the previous video we checked that subquery that is non-correlated subquery. Okay, so we can just check. We want to write a query to display the customer details which have orders. Okay, so in this case we can check select star from customer where customer ID in. We can check select customer ID from orders. Okay, so in this case we will get customer ID details from the order tables and this is the subquery. Okay, this is the subquery and this subquery details we can pass this to this outer query. Okay, in this case subquery will execute only once only and this subquery will execute independently also. We can just execute this result, we will get the output. Okay, this data passed to this outer query. Okay, so this is known as non-correlated subquery. Okay, now we are getting the output. So this type of query is known as non-correlated subquery. Okay, next we want to check write a query to list the customer details with number of orders. So in the customer ID, in the customer table, we have 3 customers and customer ID 1 has no orders, customer ID 2 has 3 orders, and customer 3 has 1 order. So we want an output, the number of orders for each customer. Okay, so in this case we can select start from customer and here we can give select, we can give comma, we can give select count of order ID from order ID or customer ID we can give here from orders where orders dot customer ID. So in this table also order customer ID. So orders dot customer ID is equal to customer, this outer query, outer table customer. So customer dot customer ID as the count. Okay, we can just execute this query. Now we are getting the output customer ID name, address, email, and count. Customer ID 1 has no orders, customer ID 2 has 3 orders, customer ID 3 has 1 order. Okay, so in this query, this subquery is depend on the outer query. Okay, so it is known as correlated subquery, and this subquery cannot execute independently. Here we can check it will not execute independently because here we are checking orders dot customer ID is equal to the outer query customer dot customer ID. Okay, so this will not execute independently. Okay, and this subquery always executed in every row of this outer query. Okay, so this is known as correlated subquery. Okay, thank you.